I'm here with Rockford from Rockford Paint and Body. You got this beautiful square body behind me. I can't tell you what year it is because there's a little bit going on here. So
a little bit.
So what was the inspiration for the truck? How did this get started? Let's go from there.
Yeah. So this was a 10-month build. So about 11 months ago, the guys from AMD mailed me this and said, let's build this.
Yep.
So we got started on it. All we did is went on Facebook Marketplace, got some frame rails, and then started the build from there. So everything on the truck, bumper to bumper, is all aftermarket. Built the cab in-house, built the bed, built everything. So essentially it's like a 2025 1976.
So this truck was 100% catalog built, pieces of sheet metal from all over the place, and then we just spot weld them all together?
Oh yeah, that's exactly what we did.
That's crazy.
Yeah, pieced all the motor stuff together, started with a 6.0 iron block, got that out of a Krispy Kreme delivery truck.
No kidding.
Yeah. And then built it up, used all the great products on it, used CVF Wraptor on it.
Yep.
So was super happy with that. And yeah, just started piecing everything together.
That's
from
incredible.
there.
And your shop specializes paint and body. Have you done the big chassis builds before? Or is this kind of the first one for you guys?
This is our first full build.
Yep.
So yeah, typically we just partner with other fab shops. They do all the metal work, send us the car in bare metal.
Yep.
We do the paint, body work, trim work, glass, and then send it back to them for wiring.
Damn.
Yeah.
And so this thing just blows my mind, man.
It's cool. It just makes people smile. That's what I love about the truck is it's not over the top. There's nothing that's not supposed to be there. It's just exciting.
It's all the right things in all the right proportions. Like
That's
I said,
right.
I want to take this truck and pick it up like this and, play with it.
That's what we say all the time. It just makes you want to just grab it, play with it.
Dude, it's so cool. Like I said, it reminds me like when I was a kid, like things I wanted to build when I was little,
Yeah.
I'm sure you're probably the same way.
Oh yeah, exactly. I mean, that's why we build them now.
Exactly. So walk me through the drive line a little bit. What'd you decide to do for like axles, transmission, all that stuff?
Yeah. So the front and rear diffs, they were fully rebuilt by Quick Performance.
Nice.
We did a BDS 4-inch lift kit on the whole thing. Stock brakes on it because they just work.
Yep.
It's not a race car. So,
Exactly. They're made for hauling heavy loads, and I'm guessing you're not going to be towing anything with this, so it's probably plenty of brakes.
No. Yeah. Detroit steel wheels, BFG tires. Something that just looks old school, period correct.
Yep.
Fully rebuilt the axles and just clean and simple.
Yep.
Yeah. 6.0 LS 4L80 transmission from Phoenix Transmissions.
Oh, perfect.
So it's pretty beefy. That's pretty much it for the drivetrain. Yeah, FiTech EFI on it.
Yep.
Vintage air, all the goodies.
All the modern amenities that just really make it a good driver.
For sure.
Yeah. So cool. Can we crack a door open, show us the interior a little bit?
Yeah. So the interior was done by Cato Custom Upholstery out in Salt Lake City.
Okay.
Me and him been friends for forever. He loves square bodies too.
Yeah.
So he's got templates made and everything to build the interior. So this whole lower section, he makes that. CNC cuts all this out.
Oh, nice.
Gets you a door speaker down here. There's a lot of 3D print parts on it. He extends this section out to get you a little map pocket right here. CNC cut out this out of billet aluminum to kind of get the same transition from the little chrome and the color. So when the doors close, it
it's cool.
all kind of flows around nicely. He 3D printed the little center console to get us some cup holders in there. Integrated a wireless charger up in that base. Spark Industry steering wheel. So again, just clean, simple, but bright and exciting in here. We used Dixon flannel material.
Oh no, is that is?
Yeah, I know. I love
cool.
Dixon's. I'm wearing one right now.
Yeah, dude, that's so cool. Yeah, the white makes this thing absolutely just pop too,
Yeah, we when we were first talking about the interior, we kind of went back and forth and what color do we do? And then we were like, white would look really good. Then we were like, no, we can't do white. We can't do white. That's gonna be so hard to keep clean. And then the more we thought about it, it was like, this truck's so loud and exciting with the graphics on the side that we got to do it white.
Yeah, I couldn't imagine it any other way.
Yeah. No, dark blue would have just been too boring for it.
Yeah, or you can go plain black like so many guys do, but
it just
white
doesn't fit.
No, for what you did.
Yeah, I know. I need a pair of gloves now to hold that steering wheel.
Well, hopefully you get over that a little bit in the next few hundred miles that you drive it, and you feel more comfortable just kind of getting in and going. But
Exactly. It's got to get at least one stain, and then we're good.
then you're okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
But
It's like, okay, we broke it in. It's fine now.
but until that happens, it's white glove treatment. Yeah.
Exactly.
Awesome, dude. Hey, well, thanks so much for taking time to show us your truck. This thing's absolutely beautiful. It's probably my favorite square body here.
I'd say it's mine too.
Yeah, I believe it.
I'm not partial to it at all.
No bias whatsoever.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, thanks so much, man. Appreciate it. And thanks
Yeah.
again for using CVF products, man.
Oh, of course.
Dude.
Yeah. Only the best.